Alright, what is up, ladies and gents? I'm Joaquin with JCC Adventures, and I broke my differential blocks again. I'm recording this after the fact. I broke them a while ago. I think it was in the wintertime. It was my last video of off-roading, going to the sugar house. I broke them there. I was in 4 low, and I wasn't cranking very hard on them, but I broke them before, and I had a feeling that they were going to break again, so I wasn't going too hard, but they broke. I ended up getting some new ones made out of solid steel. I'll show you later in the video on the weight difference. They're just way better, a lot stronger. But I ended up breaking them. Have new ones in right now, so they've been working great. But I also have got some new coilovers. Pro Comp coilovers. So there's a little spoiler for you. I got some new coilovers, Pro Comp. I don't want to spoil it too much, so I got some videos coming for that, for unboxing and the install, and a little bit of a kind of review. I'll do a later review on them. But if you're not subscribed and you want to check that stuff out, subscribe, like this video, and hopefully those other videos will be coming out soon, so get ready for those. But yeah, this video's on those diff blocks, just installing them and all that good stuff, so stay tuned. I don't know if you can see that, but right there, it is broken. Also, it's broken up there too. Alright guys, so here are the new diff drop blocks. These are the ones that I got off eBay. I think there's some cheaper ones, but like the weight difference is huge. These are so much more heavy. They're definitely solid, so these are gonna be pretty good compared to these. These, I think they're made out of like a cast, I want to say like aluminum, because they're just so light. Here's the one that broke. This one's from last time. This is my first set, and you can see here that it's broken a little bit. It's just the tape holding it together, and right there it's cracked. On the truck right now, this side is, both sides are, I'm pretty sure, cracked. I know this side is, but this one's yeah, this one's just the weak link because it's so thin. But with this new one, like, it's just so much heavier and it's just solid steel. It's gonna be very nice. So I'm gonna take some Scotch-Brite pad, buff them up, hit them with primer, and then hit them with some black paint. Paint's probably gonna chip off or whatever within a few months, but it'll just kind of help it fight the rust a little bit. So I'm gonna do that. Alright guys, here is the pieces all fully painted. One thing I wanted to do and show you guys was weighing the different, because the old pieces that I had in there versus the new ones that I had built, they're much heavier, and I have I think it's an old fish scale or something, and I want to show you guys the difference in weight. Alright, so here is the old piece. It's like a cast aluminum. I don't know if you can see that. See if it'll focus in. Right there, we're about like 2 pounds. And then we take the new piece, much heavier. I think it's, I don't know what kind of steel it is, but it's definitely full steel. And then we'll focus in on that, and it's about 4 pounds, so about twice the weight. So it's definitely going to be a lot stronger, and hopefully we won't have this issue again. Alright guys, time to get the differential out, get the new brackets on, and get this bad boy ready. So, I'm going to switch over to the GoPro. I don't mind getting that dirty. So, sorry for the video quality and probably the audio quality, but got to do what I got to do. I'm going to get dirty with this thing, so it's going to be a little messy, but here goes. Well, I just realized that the settings on my GoPro were all messed up because I was doing some recording on under the truck a few days ago, and it was dark, so I changed up the settings, and that's probably why everything is all super bright. I haven't looked at the footage yet, but I can't imagine it's any good. So, I already got the differential in, so I'm just kind of getting all the CVs set up, and I got to get the axle shaft on. But yeah, I'm not sure if this footage is going to be any good, but from now on it should be better. But yeah, hopefully I can salvage it. Alright, now it's time to get that bolt, and those two bolts there. You can see up there, there's one of the old brackets. Up here, you can see part of the old one there. It's completely broken. So, you have to get those out of there. Right, so here is the destruction. As you can see, this is the piece, and yeah, it's definitely seen better days. Like, it's just all messed up. This is the one that I had in before. These are all made out of the same cast aluminum or whatever. So, as you can see, second time is not the charm, but third time should be the charm. These are definitely a lot heavier. As you can see, I weighed them. They weighed probably twice as much, at least this bigger one did. I'm sure this one did too. So these are all painted, looking nice. So I'm going to put these in, get everything back together, and hopefully we'll be good as new. One thing that I like about these front differentials is that this actuator actually disconnects the passenger side axle. So I can turn this and it doesn't, I'll get everything in the same shot here. As you can see, it doesn't spin anything. Same with this, where the axle comes in. Like, it'll spin the driver's side just a little bit, but it disconnects everything, so when you're in two-wheel drive, it's not running the all the spider gears. Or it's probably turning the spider gears, but there's not a lot of drag, so your gas mileage is going to be better. Here's going to be the big side here, the passenger side. It'll go on like so. I'm going to hit these bolts with some red Loctite. And go to town. Hopefully this bolt isn't too long. Snap this one up. These tightened up. Alright guys, I got the diff in and the skid plate on. Hopefully everything's tight. Got my mud tires on, so we're going to try out the four-wheel drive. Hopefully we don't hear any clunking, but yeah, that'll go to show. Don't buy some cheap stuff. Go with the real deal. Don't skimp out on your lift kit or any truck parts or parts for your car or whatever you're doing. Don't skimp out. You get what you pay for, that's for sure. I'm going to go try out the four-wheel drive. Alright guys, just got done driving it around. Don't hear any weird clunks or no wheels are falling off, so I think we're good. So I'm gonna call the video here. Hope you guys like this. Hope you found it informative. Like and subscribe. Catch you guys on the next one.